For this edgy transformation, we want to maintain the texture of her hair. So what I'm going to do is section off the back, and we're going to start in the lower left hand corner of the nape. We're going to apply BLONDME 9 Plus Premium Lightener with the 7 volume, 1/4 inch away from the root. We're recreating a root touch up, and we're going to repeat this process all the way up to the front until the entire head is fully applied. And when you're applying, you want to make sure that you are saturating thoroughly, maintaining that 1/4 inch root. I like to use my Framar Emperor brush to allow me to move quickly and thoroughly. And if I need to, I can use the comb end to detangle the hair. Repeat these steps all the way to the front. Nice and clean sections. Once you have finished applying all the way to the front of the head, we're going to do something called the global wrapping technique. And what that's going to do is focus the heat on certain areas of the head that have trouble lightening during a lightening service. So as you can see here, the top layers and right in the middle need more heat than the rest of the hair. So what I'm going to do is place one piece of saran wrap on the top to protect the roots, and I'm going to start off where I left off, and that's the front section. And we're going to focus in those mids, making sure they get the most heat, wrapping tight, making sure none of the hair falls down, and you're going to place a saran wrap over each quadrant. And when you've done all 4 quadrants, you're going to use a long piece to go ahead and seal in this incubation. Process for 15 minutes and then remove, revealing a nice even lift. The hair looks like a nice level 9, so I don't need to lighten it again. I'm going to go ahead and go over her roots with BLONDME 9 Plus Premium Lightener with the 7 volume. And I'm going to go through and apply all of the roots. You're going to let these roots process until the desired lightness. And now we're going to shampoo with the BLONDME Keratin Restore shampoo, all blondes. And we're going to put the Keratin Restore mask and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now it's time to tone. I'm going to section off the dark side and the light side. For the dark side, we're going to use BLONDME toners, 50 grams of nugget, 50 grams of deep chestnut, and 16 grams of granite, all with 7 volume BLONDME developer. And we're going to apply from roots to ends. The granite in this formula is canceling all of that unwanted brass. And after you finish applying the dark side, put a piece of saran wrap to protect it from the light side. You don't want the light side getting any dark on the hair. And we're going to go ahead and do the roots first. So now you apply the roots to the light side. I'm using BLONDME toners, 50 grams of deep chestnut, and 10 grams of granite. And once you're done applying the roots, you can go ahead and mix up the blonde side. Again, I'm using the BLONDME toners, 50 grams of biscuit, 50 grams of sand, 15 grams of iris, and 2 grams of strawberry. Detail the ends. Look at those beautiful curls. And when it's all done, style as desired. And there you go.